Oh God, does it make me want to sneeze?
Yep. You might have to sneeze, but it won't come out.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this is.
But there's people that literally have to sneeze after each stroke, so you're doing good so far.
Oh my God, I'm gonna sneeze.
It's okay.
This is really funny. How is that a thing?
I think because of the sinuses, it's so close
I'm gonna sneeze.
there.
I'm gonna sneeze.
This is another weird thing with blondes mostly.
Really?
Yes.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Cute, 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 cute. That's so cute. It's cute. I want that sneeze.
Ouch. Ouch.
Gente, eu vou te atrapalhar o tempo todo.
Não, é só essa parte mesmo, é normal. É porque tem uma porção de musculatura que corre.
Mas eu tô com rinite também. Ai, desculpa.
Ah, sneeze. Go ahead, sneeze.
涙が出て。息継ぎみたいな。
Oh, I got that in here. Yep. Ugh.
It's coming, it's coming. Sorry, camera. I died.
Oh, nice.
You see it already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Did you?
Кажется, я хочу чихнуть. Сейчас. Ой, сейчас. Ой.
Так, сейчас помажу анестезийку.
Сейчас опять чихну. Ой. Или не чихну. Где чихну? О! Это будет крутой выпуск.
She's gonna sneeze. Every time. I make you sneeze. Bless you.
I don't know why.
Okay. As I was saying, you just wanna trap the hairs in between the cross section. Fuck's sake. Gotta grab me some more thread because her eyebrows would be thick as fuck.
Okay, you got some really thin eyebrows. Oh, they look good though.
They're thick. Where did I put the thread? Did it land here?
Lost the thread.
Oh fuck, he's still sneezing.
On the hunt for the thread. Wait, I don't know where it's up. Wait.
She's gonna sneeze.
I'm trying.
Bless you.
Bless.
I think that's... Okay.
You're so cute.